Okay, so we can see that I've got some water droplets and so forth in the background that look all right for the moment. One thing I'm looking at is the rocks that I have in the background have a very low poly look to them. So let's take a look at maybe changing that and seeing what we can do with that. So if I just grab this guy and let's just go into this, into just solid preview shading and viewport shading. And if I look at this in edit mode, you can definitely see that what I have is pretty basic and kind of random. So I'm going to just see if I can't do a quick fix on this. So what I'm going to do is just quickly go to my data properties and I'm going to do a remesh and we'll see what that does for us. Uh, I'm just going to leave it on voxel. The voxel size I'll just leave on what it's on and we'll see what we get. But voxel size is basically like a 3D pixel. So the larger the voxel size, the less vertices you'll end up with in an item. And the smaller the voxel size, the more vertices and therefore the more detail you'll get. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave it and I'm just going to do a quick voxel remesh. Things have changed. I'm going to just take a peek at this in edit mode and we'll see that the geometry has become more uniform at least. So I'm going to go with that. And I think what I'll do now is go into my UV editing. With this item selected, I'm going to do a select all. And I think I will just do a UV Smart Unwrap and say okay. And we'll see what we get here. And I'm thinking that looks better already. If I just tab back into object mode, I think that looks a lot more like what I would like. I mean, maybe I move a few things around here. Oop. Yeah, I think, okay, so those dark patches right about here. I want to take these. I'm going to do a select all. And I'm going to select island here. And I'm going to just grab this and see if I can't just grab a couple of these islands right here and move them to a different spot. There, I think that looks a little bit better. Okay, so that being the case, I'm going to do something similar on a couple of these other rocks and move on from there.